Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to show you this. This is my current trauma kit which I have put together and that basically lives in my daypack. So this is a unbranded Molly compatible trauma pouch. I think I got it from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And basically I've packed it full of life-saving gear. So as of March 2020, this is what my trauma kit looks like. So on the front I have the first aid symbol, basically to denote it to other people that this is a first aid kit, and I just have the law symbology there just because it looks cool and I want a tattoo of that. So if I unzip it, here is what it looks like. So starting off at the front here, the pouch that comes down, or the front that comes down, I have 2 pairs of nitrile gloves ready to go. Moving down, on the front here I have a surgical mask. So this is good enough for viruses, bacteria, allergens. It does go down to 0.03 microns, so I'm pretty sure that's good enough against coronavirus. Now, the reason I put this in here is because if I come across someone with breathing difficulties, I can protect myself and also help protect others. So I thought that was quite a useful addition in this day and age. Next up is going to be a trauma dressing. This is an elasticated bandage and large wound pad. I've taken it out of the outside packaging so it's a bit faster to get to. Doesn't have a pressure bar or anything like that, but definitely a really useful bit of kit. Next, I have the cat tourniquet. This is staged, ready to go. Always useful. I have a mylar space blanket. Helps fight against hypothermia and the treatment of shock. I have some compressed Z-fold gauze, useful for packing those junctions. I have a standard large wound pad. I can simply use this to cover an injury and perhaps use the gauze to help wrap it. I have a Russell chest seal, so that's a seal in the box. I have a burn dressing, looks like squidge in it. I have, on this side here, I have an ultra bright white glow stick, just for a bit of illumination. I have an eye torch, extra bit of illumination, and also I can use it to check levels of response on people. And a black Sharpie for recording notes or writing on myself or others. And that's it. That is what I am carrying on me normally in my day pack. So add to that my Leatherman trauma shears, which I pretty much always have on me. I think I am pretty good for most situations. Love these things. Window break, super sharp and tough. If I'm not carrying my day pack on me, what I will normally be carrying is one of these. This is a modular survival bleeding control kit. Normally carried this on me and my shears. So I've done a video on this, so you might want to check that out. So there we go. That is what I have in my trauma kit in March 2020. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.